Hello, Matters. Good day. For today's video, we're going to discuss about least common multiple or LCM and how to find the LCM of whole numbers. So, kung ka-remember mo sa atong last video, atong gidiscuss kung saan pagkuha sa greatest common factor. Again ha, as what I told you last time that GCF and LCM can be used especially if you will be dealing with fractions. Alright? So, let's start. So pag sinabing LCM or least common multiple, it is defined as the smallest multiple common to the given numbers. Okay? So it can be used as well in adding and subtracting dissimilar fractions. So pag sinabing dissimilar fractions, ato ba nang ma-discuss next uh, meeting. So we can't add directly or even subtract fractions if they are dissimilar. So, dito na papasok si LCM or least common multiple. So, LCM will become LCD kung magdeal tag fractions. Pero kung magdeal lang tag whole numbers, so LCM lang siya. Pero kung fractions na, LCM will become LCD. Okay? Sige. Let's proceed directly. Let's identify the LCM of some whole numbers. Okay, example 1. Find the LCM of 2 and 6. Okay. Solution number 1. So, just like sa GCF, atong gamitan siya og listing method. So, pwede na nato i-list ang mga multiples sa given nga number. Then after that, kung ato nang na-list or kung ato nang nakita ang common na multiple sa duha na pinakagamay, so automatic, mo na to siya ang LCM. Sige, let's do this. Start muna sa 2. So, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, to get the multiples matters, magkuha lang mo na, mag-multiply lang mo certain number sa given na number para makuha yung multiple. Or pwede na pod, mag-add ta og kana nga number sa previous nga iyahang multiple to get the next multiple. Okay, say 2 times 1, we have 2. 2 times 2, we have 4. 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times 4, 8, and so on and so forth. Pwede na pod, kung na tayo isa ka multiple, let's say 2, mag-add lang ta og 2 sa iya ha. So, 2 plus 2, we have 4. 4 plus 2, we have 6. Tapos, 6 plus 2, we have 8, and so on and so forth. Okay? It's up to you kung pila ka multiples ang inyuhang i-list sa kada number ha. Basta inyo nang makita nga naa na ang ilahang common na multiple which is list, automatic mo na to siya. So, let's continue. Sa 6 naman, we have 6. 6 times 1. 6 plus 6, we have 12. 12 plus 6, we have 18. 18 plus 6, we have 24, and so on and so forth. Okay, this time, na naman tayo makita or nakita na common na multiple which is list. So, we have 6. Okay, ito. So, therefore, we can say that the least common multiple of 2 and 6 is 6. Okay? So, muna siya ang pamaagi matters kung atong i-find ang LCM sa whole numbers using listing method. So again ha, the same as GCF, ang iya pong disadvantage kay matagaan tagdago nga numbers, lisod i-list ang mga multiples tungod kay dagko na nga mga numbers, di ba? So, sa second method, mao to ang pinakadali, which is using the prime factorization. Okay, sige, let's compare. Tingnan natin. Tapos kayo ang magtsusa kung between the two, saan yung gagamitin nyo, basta komportable kayo na gamitin siya. Okay, yung madali para sa inyo ba? Okay, we have other method which is prime factorization. So, how to do this? Okay, Unlike sa GCF, 'di ba, divide we divide each number separately by their prime factors, but this time sa LCM, we're going to divide together the numbers, okay, in single division symbol. So isa ho na sila divide. Okay. So let's do this. Okay, to find the LCM, ito yung ating solution using prime factorization. So 2 at saka 6. Okay, isahin lang sila. Okay. After that, ano yung list na prime number na pwede makadivide sa kanilang dalawa if possible, if not, masig isa ra sa ilaha. So by inspection, si 2, no? 2 ang pwede makadivide at least isa sa ilaha. So let's divide. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. Okay. After that, kung 1 na, stop. Okay? Dito ana ka mag-focus sa value nga dili 1. So which is a 3. Now, unsay pinakagamay na prime number na pwede makadivide kay 3? Correct. 3 itself kasi nga 3 is already a prime number. So 1, i-bring down na siya. Kung 1 na, 3 divided by 3, we have 1. Okay, pag 1 na lahat, ang gagawin after is, ang kaning prime numbers nga imong gigamit pag-divide nila, imo lang i-multiply para makuha ang LCM. So, LCM would be 2 times 3. So, we have 6. Check. Okay. Ito yung process matters kung kwaon ninyo ang LCM ng whole numbers using prime factorization. Okay? This is true to all. True to all numbers kung kwaon ninyo ang ilahang LCM. Again ha, dapat yun, mamaster ni ninyo kung saan paggawa sa LCM kasi kung mag-operate mo og fraction, say mag-add at saka mag-subtract, specifically dissimilar fractions, dili na ninyo magamit si LCM. And LCM will become LCD kasi mag-deal naman mo fractions, as I said earlier. Okay, therefore, the LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. So, same lang actually matters ang pamaagi, I mean, ang answer, pero iba-iba yung uh, ways, no? On how to find the LCM. But again ha, it's up to you kung asa sa ilaha yung gamiton. Importante ana, komportable mo na gamiton siya, unya, mas dali para sa inyo ha. Alright? Sige. Let's have another example. Okay. Example 2. Find the LCM of 4, 8, and 10. Okay, the same process. Atong i-divide sila together by a particular prime number, no? Basta at least makadivide sa ilahang tulo. Sige, let's do this. 4, 8, at saka 10. Okay. List na prime na pwede makadivide at least isa sa ilaha. So, 2. So, 2 divided by 2, I mean, 4 divided by 2, we have 2. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. Okay. 10 divided by 2, we have 5. Next, list na prime na pwede makadivide at least isa sa ilaha. 2 gihapon. So, 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. Yes, sir, ang 5, di man ma-divide sa 2. So, imo lang i-bring down. Okay? Pero to all yan. Next. So, 1 naman ni ang first nga quotient. So, stop na. And na siya i-focus. Dili na ta sa 2 ug 5. Now, list na prime na pwede makadivide at least isa sa ilaha. Di 2 ug 5. So, we have 2 gihapon. Okay? So, 1, imo lang i-bring down. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. Tapos si 5, bring down lang siya kay di man siya divisible ni 2. And finally, kay 5, kung saan ang least na prime na pwede makadivide kay 5. So 5 itself kasi 5 prime naman siya. So 1, bring down na ang dalawa. Okay. Next, 5 divided by 5, we have 1. Okay, pag 1 na lahat, stop. After that, i-multiply lang itong prime numbers na ating ginamit. So LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay. Multiply natin. Sige, let's do this. 2 times 2, we have 4. 4 times 2, we have 8. Tapos 8 times 5, we have 40. Okay. Therefore, the LCM of 4, 8, and 10 is 40. Sige. Di ba easy lang? Basta, i-memorize nyo lang talaga ang mga prime numbers kasi magamit yun sila sa process na ito. Alright. Another. Okay. Wala na pala. So, now it's your time. Okay. You answer this. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Okay. Show your complete solution. Pag meron na kayong sagot, tapos, ah, pwede ninyo, pwede ninyo ilagay or like, i-post sa comment section. Okay, para ma-check natin if tama ba. If gusto nyo. Okay, matters. Kung ganahan mo ani nga video, so paki-like lang ko o share sa uban para daghan pud ta og matabangan nga mga estudyante labi na tong naglisod kung saan pagkuha sa LCM. Okay? See you sa next video. So mag-discuss ta about ano na, fractions, no? Kung unsa ang types of fraction, tapos unsa ang pag-simplify of fraction, pag-operate, and etc. Okay? So see you sa next video. Goodbye and God bless.